Oh man. Oh man. You guys, please, please don't DIY. Don't destroy yourself. I okay, I'm honestly kind of speechless. All right, so let me just gather myself. Okay, so for whatever reason, this person did not want to listen to what I told them and let me do the repair. They decided they were going to do it themselves. And they decided for whatever reason, and I have no idea. And I already let him know I might not be able to fix it because of it. But he drilled holes in it. Dude, holes. Drilled holes through a circuit board, the motherboard, the main board. Drilled holes. Drilled holes. I just. So, anyhow, I'm trying to finish getting my high definition 1080p camera ready so that I could get this in high definition for you. So stay plugged in, Steve with SBL Games. Be sure to subscribe and follow so you can check in the latest on this because I don't know if we could do it. But, well, I don't know if I could fix it because the drill holes, but we will find out.